Alright, our next crazy build is going to be this mint impala here. We're going to, well, basically, first things first, we're going to chop the exhaust off. And then rip that bumper off right there. Fix a tire. What we're thinking is we're going to chop the entire thing right straight across here. So it'll be like that. We're going to make this thing into like an El Camino. Maybe put a roll bar or something in the back. I don't know. Comment what you think. Yeah.
You hooked him up backwards.
Oops. Yeah. Oh, that ain't good. Alright, well, yeah, let's just get this thing running. Alright guys, so we chopped the exhaust off, and that's step one. Pump the tire up. Oh yeah, that's totally cool. That's so cool. Wow. New race car, eh? Oh yeah, oh yeah. So yeah, like I said, here, back, I want to strip so it's like a flatbed, you know? And then, I'm not sure if I want to keep the doors open, but yes sir, this is going to be fun. Is that a strut there that came loose? Alright guys, well, it's kind of dark to see. I'm videoing this late at night. But, the Impala, we had big plans for this thing. We were going to jump it. We were going to do some crazy stuff because we have balls and we don't care. Anyways, we got the spare on there right now. We lost drive, we lost reverse, we lost struts, it's just strictly shock there. We lost this tire, so we have a running motor and nothing else pretty much. Basically, sorry to end the video and have high hopes, but basically we're wondering what we should do to finish the motor off. Something cool. Can't be just a classic hold a brick on it and wait till it blows up. We gotta do something way cooler. I don't know. Comment what you think.